conflict is inevitable. But can you imagine what it would be like if our goal wasn't to win an argument, but something else entirely? In 1 Corinthians 1:12, the Apostle Paul writes a letter to a group of people who are in the middle of an argument. They'd each picked their favorite pastor, and they were debating on who was the best. Some of the people in the congregation had chosen Paul, and you would have expected him to write something like, "Those who chose me are right." But he didn't say that. Instead, Paul reminds the people of what they had in common. They were all forgiven by Jesus. He challenged them to forget about their petty differences and to be united around what God had done for them through Christ. The next time you get into an argument, stop, take a breath, and think about what Christ has done for you. Instead of trying to win the argument, look for a way to show the other person the same love and the same kindness God has shown you.